محمد رسولنا النبي الأمي المبعوث رحمة للعالمين، خاتم الأنبياء والمرسلين، نور هذه الأمة وضياؤها، وشفيعنا يوم الحساب.
Hello from one of the great venues in world football, the Estadio Santiago Bernabeu in Madrid. My name is Derek Ray, and sitting next to me here on the commentary gantry is the former Arsenal and West Ham United midfield man, Stuart Robson. And we've got so much to look forward to. This is where it all begins in Europe's Premier Club competition, the UEFA Champions League, the group stage, match day 1 action. It's Real Madrid taking on Liverpool.
Well, I'm looking forward to this one, Derek. It's so important that you get off to a good start. So let's hope both sides go for the win here and we get an exciting match.
It's the up. Opening match day, Champions League group stage, match day 1 underway. Salah. Will he play it in? No problems for the keeper. And the starting players for Real Madrid. Thibaut Courtois begins in goal. David Alaba plays with Antonio Rudiger.
Derek, this is a big moment here.
What a genuine opportunity, but it was squandered. Goal kick. Trent Alexander-Arnold. Not a great pass. Modric. Luka Modric. Well, leaning back a bit. Couldn't keep the shot down. Andrew Robertson. Here is Thiago. Karim Benzema, who's played at such a high level in an attacking sense for so long. Stuart. Salah! And a goal to open the scoring. A very bright start to this one. So Real restart the game. Disappointed to have conceded. Can they find an equaliser? Oh, that's a really good run. Can he finish? Oh, there it is! A back and forth sort of match. Now they're level again. The lead lasted nearly minutes.
Well, here's the replay. Watch how he goes past his man with such ease, and it's just a change of pace. And from there, he never looked like missing. That's a lovely goal.
So the ball is rolling again at 1-1. Salah. A very timely interception. Potentially productive here for Liverpool on the flank. Crossed into the penalty area. Marvellous anticipation. Oh, is he going to be punished here? Oh, he wasn't ruthless enough in front of goal. Keeper has it now. Vinicius. Big chance. What a vital intervention. Corner kick delivery from Toni Kroos. No trouble at all as far as the keeper was concerned. And a strong tackle. This looks promising out wide. And cuts inside. Salah! Oh, wonderful save.
Well, he reacts so quickly there. That's a great save.
Now the short corner routine. Tremendous block from Modric. That'll be a Liverpool ball. Fine cross into the middle. Well, sadly, too straight to worry the goalkeeper that time. Well, he's lost the ball. Darwin Nunez. This is Thiago. And gobbled up by Courtois. Wilting under the pressure, and now they try to go forward. So following the deflection, a corner kick coming up here. And deciding to go short with this one. And it's Salah with the cross. Oh, splendid header, but a fine save. Well, a corner right on the back of the last one. And a short corner, let's see. And delivered towards the back post. Well, it wasn't quite as good as it looked when it was played over.
Well, Liverpool have played some really good football and they've looked threatening, but they need to make it count while they are still on top.
Yes, plenty of possession, just a matter of translating that possession into goals. Henderson. Slipshod passing. Vinicius Junior. Rudiger has it. Mendy. And options in the centre. Oh, fantastic effort. He made great contact, but the keeper more than equal to it. And now the delivery. Not fantastic defending. Let's see if it helps the opposition. Rudiger. Just made sure nothing came of that. Will this corner bear fruit for them?
Well, they've been frustrated for quite a while now, but these fans have suddenly come to life.
On a corner like that, every goalkeeper's dream, really. Mo Salah. Fabinho. Henderson. It's there for him. And the post denied him. Well, the referee might have to send him off. Well, the card is out, and it's yellow.
Yeah, it's clumsy and it's late. Definitely a yellow card.
Well, it was on the target, but the keeper up to the task of saving it. But he's gone short with it. Well, the cross didn't get past the first defender. Always going to be the goalkeeper's ball. Well, very effective play, and they might be onto something. And a decent delivery. And they couldn't quite muster a real threat. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. Crossed into the penalty area. Well, it didn't happen for them in attack. This looks promising out wide. Crossing into the middle. And I think the threat has been averted. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. All hands on deck. And brave goalkeeping to deal with the danger.
Well, he had to get that right, didn't he? That's good goalkeeping.
And the first half is in the history books here at the Bernabeu. And so the second half of this Champions League group stage matchday 1 contest commences. Can he put them in front? Off the post and back in play. And a good challenge to bring that attack to an end. Darwin Nunez. He's lost it. Can he find the right pass? Salah. Well, Mo Salah, a player who knows how to wow the crowds, and Stuart, that's exactly what he's doing here.
Well, I really
Oh,
like
wait, Stuart, they might score! And a goal to re-establish their advantage! Just look at the celebrations! So the game has been restarted. What sort of response will that elicit from Real Madrid? Vinicius Junior. Well, that's how to keep the opposition at bay. Wonderful challenge, and a throw-in coming up. Might be able to produce from this position. And no way through. And gobbled up with ease by the keeper. What can Real do from this position? Fantastic work to thwart the danger. Thiago. It's with Fabinho. Henderson. And threading it forward. Quite simply an opportunity wasted. Easy for the keeper. Vinicius. Defended well. Plenty of support here. Well, tremendous block. Casemiro. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Counter-attacking very much an option. Thiago. Running with the ball confidently, but quick thinking defensively. Really closing him down. Oh, fancy footwork. Not testing the keeper at all with that effort. A bit of running room now on the wing. It's there for him. Oh, body in the way, crucially.
Well, just listen to the fans. They know this is a big chance here.
Over it comes. Well, not cleared away completely. And snuffing out the danger. Luis Diaz. And take it away. Jota. Determined defending. Clear foul, but a Real Madrid advantage. He's found a pocket of space. Benzema! Well, it really wasn't a great effort, was it? Well, not far away from the final whistle, and Real Madrid have got to pull out all the stops.
Well, it's been a tight match, but they haven't done quite enough going forward, in my view. It's all been a bit too predictable. A lot of passing, but not enough penetration. They have to get crosses into the box in these final few minutes if they want to get anything out of this.
Just 10 minutes to go. Still looking to get the shot off. And diving to thwart him. Well, this might be the final opportunity to draw level. So making the substitution now. The problem not completely solved. Rudiger. Must be. Oh, goodness me, he's crashed it against the woodwork.
Well, it's so difficult to get that on target. He's done fantastically well. He can count himself unlucky there.
And good pressure high up the pitch. A goal! Sheer excitement! Level again here! So the ball is running again at 2-2. Five minutes of the 90 still to go, and the teams cannot be separated. And forward they go again. Can they win this? Routine stop for Courtois. They're making high pressing work for them here. Determined block. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Defenders need to cover. Must be. Great defending here. Brilliantly blocked. So 1 minute of stoppage time. That's what the officials have said. Thiago distributing shrewdly. And both hands on it. Good goalkeeping. And there's the whistle. They cannot be separated after 90 minutes.